Okay, I need to ask you something. What does it's giving actually mean?
Wait, you don't know?
I know what the words mean individually. It's means it is, and giving means giving.
Caleb, that's not how it works.
Then what does it mean?
It means something has a certain feeling or vibe.
So if I say your outfit is giving
Yes?
dad at a barbecue,
Excuse me?
I'm just practicing.
Okay. But honestly, if you want to understand modern English, there are some Gen Z words you really need to know.
And today we're going to learn 10 of them.
Exactly.
And we're not going to learn them from a boring vocabulary list.
Thank goodness.
We're going to learn them through a real conversation.
With a little drama.
A little confusion.
And maybe some questionable fashion choices?
Hey, leave my outfit out of this.
No promises.
Fine, let's get started.
But before we start, remember to listen carefully because we'll explain each word during the conversation.
And at the end, we'll have a mini quiz to see how many you remember.
Ready?
Let's go.
So, what are we doing today?
Well, I thought we could go to that new cafe downtown.
The one everyone is posting about?
Yes.
Is it actually good?
I don't know.
Then why are we going?
Because it's popular.
That's not a good reason.
Why not?
Because something can be popular and still be
Don't say it.
mid.
There it is, our first Gen Z word.
Exactly.
So what does mid mean?
Mid is a casual way to say something is average, ordinary, or not as good as people expected.
So if I go to a restaurant and the food is okay but nothing special, I can say,
The food was mid. Or the movie was mid.
exactly.
So basically, it's not terrible,
Right?
but it's not amazing either.
Exactly.
Okay, then, let's hope this cafe isn't mid.
I hope so too.
Oh, wait.
What?
Look at this.
What am I looking at?
My friend just posted a picture from the cafe.
Already?
Yeah?
What does she say?
She says this place is giving luxury.
Giving luxury?
Exactly.
Is she giving luxury to someone?
No?
Then I'm confused again.
Remember what I said earlier?
About it's giving?
Yes, when someone says it's giving luxury, they mean something has the feeling or vibe of luxury.
So this cafe is giving luxury means the cafe feels luxurious.
Exactly.
Can I say your outfit is giving rich?
You can say that,
Finally, I'm learning.
but your outfit is actually giving...
Don't.
I'm joking.
You're not.
Maybe a little.
Okay, let's go to the cafe.
Wait,
What now?
I need to text my friend first.
Why?
She was supposed to meet us there.
Was?
Yeah.
What happened?
I don't know. She hasn't replied to me all day.
Did she read your messages?
Yes.
And she didn't answer?
Nope.
Maybe she's busy.
Maybe.
Or maybe she's
Don't say it.
ghosting you.
Why would you say that?
Because she is.
What exactly does ghosting mean?
Ghosting means suddenly stopping communication with someone, usually without explaining why.
So if someone used to text me every day
And then suddenly disappears,
and never replies to my messages,
they might be ghosting you.
that's actually kind of rude.
It can be.
Have you ever been ghosted?
Maybe?
Maybe.
Okay, yes.
By who?
That's private information.
Caleb!
I'm not discussing this.
Fine.
Let's talk about something else.
Okay.
Like your friend.
What about her?
Maybe she isn't ghosting you.
Then why isn't she answering?
Maybe she's busy.
Maybe.
Or maybe
What?
she's with that guy.
What guy?
You know, the guy she likes.
Oh, Alex?
Yes.
Wait.
What?
Are they dating?
I don't know.
I thought they were just talking.
That's what she told me. What?
Something feels...
Sus?
Exactly.
Look at you.
I'm learning quickly. So, what does sus mean?
Suspicious? Correct.
Something that seems strange, questionable, or suspicious.
Exactly.
So, if my friend suddenly stops replying and I think she might be secretly meeting someone,
You could say that's sus.
that's sus.
Perfect.
But wait,
What?
I think I know what's happening.
What?
My friend is low-key obsessed with Alex.
Low-key?
Yes.
What does that mean?
It means something is happening secretly, quietly, or without being very obvious.
So if I say I'm low-key tired,
It means you're a little tired or you don't want to make a big deal about it.
and if you say I'm low-key obsessed with this show,
You really like the show, but you're saying it in a casual way.
got it.
You can also hear people say high-key.
What's the difference?
High-key is basically the opposite. It means something is obvious or openly true.
So I'm low-key hungry,
You're a little hungry.
and I'm high-key hungry.
You're really hungry.
I understand.
Great.
So your friend is low-key obsessed with Alex.
Yes.
Does Alex know?
I don't think so. Wait,
What?
my friend just posted another story.
What does it say?
When your crush finally texts you back.
Oh,
What?
that's definitely about Alex.
You think?
100%.
Why?
Because she posted a picture of Alex last week.
She did?
Yes.
And she didn't tell me?
Apparently not.
That's kind of suspicious.
Sus?
Very sus.
Okay, we need to investigate.
We're going to the cafe.
Agreed.
Wait,
Again?
she just texted me.
What did she say?
Sorry, I was busy.
That's it?
That's it. What?
I don't believe her.
Why?
Because she's definitely hiding something.
Maybe.
No cap.
What's no cap?
It means you're telling the truth. You're being completely serious.
So if I say no cap, this is the best pizza I've ever had.
You're saying you're being honest.
Exactly.
So no cap, I think your friend is hiding something.
Okay, I believe you.
Good.
But now I'm hungry.
Let's go get pizza.
We were going to the cafe.
I changed my mind.
Why?
I'm high-pea hungry.
Fair enough.
Also, I need coffee.
You had coffee this morning.
That was 3 hours ago.
You might have a problem.
No cap, I do.
Let's go.
Wait.
What now?
Your friend is calling.
Oh,
Answer it.
hello?
What is she saying?
Shh.
Okay.
Yeah, we're on our way.
What happened?
She wants to meet us at the cafe.
See?
What?
She wasn't ghosting you.
I guess not.
You were wrong.
Maybe.
Say it.
What?
Say Caleb was right.
Absolutely not.
Come on.
No.
Fine.
Let's just go.
Okay.
But I have one question.
What?
Your friend and Alex are what?
I think they're in a situationship.
A what?
A situationship.
That's another word I need to learn.
It's when two people have a romantic or emotional connection, but they haven't clearly defined their relationship.
So they're more than friends.
But they're not officially a couple.
Exactly.
They might spend time together, text every day, and act like a couple.
But they haven't said we're officially together.
Exactly.
That's confusing.
Very.
So if someone asks me, are you and Alex dating?
You could say, it's complicated.
Ah, another useful phrase.
Exactly.
It's complicated means the relationship or situation isn't simple or easy to explain.
Right.
So if I say, are you two together?
You can say, it's complicated.
That sounds like a dangerous answer.
It usually is.
Okay, let's get to the cafe.
Finally.
We're here.
Wow.
What?
This place is...
Don't say it.
It's giving...
What?
expensive.
That's because everything costs $20.
For coffee?
Apparently.
This is mid.
You haven't even tried it yet.
I know what coffee tastes like.
Okay, Mr. Coffee Expert.
Thank you.
Wait,
What?
I see my friend.
Where?
Over there.
And is that Alex?
Yes!
They're together.
I knew it.
They're definitely in a situationship.
Let's go say hi.
Wait,
What?
look at your friend.
What about her?
She's wearing a new outfit.
Oh, wow.
It's giving
Don't.
main character.
Actually, yes.
See, I understand Gen Z English now.
I'm proud of you.
No cap.
Okay, let's go.
Hey,
Hi.
So, what's going on?
Nothing.
Nothing?
Nothing. Why are you looking at me like that?
Because you two are sitting together at a cafe.
So?
So, are you dating?
It's complicated.
I knew it.
Calm down.
So, you're in a situationship?
Maybe.
What does that mean?
We like each other.
Okay.
We spend a lot of time together.
Okay.
But we're not officially dating.
So,
It's complicated.
got it.
But we're figuring it out.
That's fair.
What are you two talking about?
Gen Z English.
Oh, no. What?
Rose has been teaching me.
Really?
Yes.
What have you learned?
Everything.
Give me an example.
Your outfit is giving main character.
Okay, that's actually good.
Thank you.
Anything else?
This cafe is mid.
You haven't even finished your coffee.
I stand by my opinion.
What else?
Your friend was low-key hiding something.
I was?
Yes.
How did you know?
I'm observant.
You're nosy.
Same thing.
Not exactly.
And I also learned no cap.
Use it in a sentence.
No cap, this cafe is mid.
That's actually perfect.
See?
You're officially fluent in Gen Z.
Finally.
Well, almost.
What haven't I learned?
Slay.
I know that one.
Really?
Yes.
What does it mean?
To kill someone.
What?
What?
No.
That's literally what it means.
Not in Gen Z English.
Oh.
Slay can mean doing something extremely well or looking amazing.
So if I say you slayed that presentation,
It means you did an amazing job.
and if I say you slayed that outfit,
It means you look amazing.
so basically, I slayed today.
Sure.
No cop.
Okay, you definitely learned that one.
What about Delulu?
Oh, that's a funny one.
What does it mean?
It's a playful slang word based on delusional.
What does that mean?
It can describe someone who believes something that isn't realistic or true.
So if I think my celebrity crush is going to marry me,
You're being a little delulu.
fair enough.
It's often used jokingly online.
So if my friend says I'm going to marry my favorite celebrity,
You might say, girl, you're delulu.
but in a friendly way.
Exactly.
Okay, I like that one.
Just don't become too delulu.
I make no promises.
Oh, and we have one more important word.
Which one?
Slay.
We already talked about that.
Right.
You mean high key.
Yes, high key.
We already talked about that too.
Okay, maybe my brain is mid today.
There it is.
Don't use that against me.
Too late.
Okay, let's review everything we learned today.
Great idea.
First, low key.
It means secretly, quietly, or in a casual way.
Example, I'm low-key obsessed with this song.
Next, high key.
It means something is obvious or openly true.
Example, I'm high key excited about this weekend.
Number 3, ghosting.
Suddenly stopping communication with someone without explaining why.
We were talking every day, and then he ghosted me.
Number 4, sus.
Suspicious or questionable.
Example, that's a little sus.
Number 5, no gap.
I'm telling the truth, seriously.
Example, no gap, this is the best pizza I've ever had.
Number 6, it's giving.
Something has a certain feeling or vibe.
Example, this outfit is giving celebrity.
Number 7, slay.
To do something really well or look amazing.
Example, you slayed that presentation.
Number 8, delulu.
Playful slang for delusional.
Example, I'm being delulu if I think my celebrity crush will marry me.
Number 9, mid.
Average, ordinary, or disappointing.
Example, the movie was kind of mid.
And number 10, situationship.
A romantic relationship that isn't clearly defined.
Example, we're not officially dating, we're in a situationship.
Now it's time for our mini quiz.
Are you ready?
Let's see if you really know your Gen Z English.
Question 1.
Your friend suddenly stops replying to your messages after texting you every day for 2 weeks.
What are they doing?
A, slaying.
B, ghosting.
C, giving luxury.
Take a few seconds.
The answer is
B, ghosting.
great job.
Question 2.
You watch a movie and it's okay. Not terrible, not amazing.
How would you describe it?
A, it's mid.
B, it's sus.
C, I'm delulu.
Think about it.
The answer is
A, it's mid.
exactly.
And our final question.
You see your friend's amazing new outfit.
You want to say that it has a really cool vibe.
What can you say? A, It's giving.
B, it's ghosting.
C, it's mid.
The answer is A, it's giving.
You did it! How many did you get right?
Tell us in the comments. And here's a challenge for you.
Try using one of today's Gen Z expressions in a sentence.
You could write, "No cop, I love learning English."
Or, this video is giving.
Hopefully, you're going to say amazing.
We hope so.
So which Gen Z word was completely new to you?
Was it low-key,
Ghosting?
situationship?
Or maybe Delulu?
Let us know in the comments.
And if you enjoyed learning modern English with us, don't forget to like this video.
And subscribe to English with Rosemi for more fun conversations in everyday English.
We'll see you in the next video.
Keep practicing,
Keep learning.
and remember.
No cap, you're doing great.
Bye!
Bye.